Understanding kneading dough, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, kneading dough. This phrase is often used in cooking contexts, but it's also a great example of how English uses specific verbs for precise actions. Let's dive in and understand what kneading dough means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Kneading is a process used in baking, especially when making bread or pastries. It involves pressing, folding, and stretching the dough with your hands. The purpose of kneading is to develop gluten in the dough, which gives bread its chewy and elastic texture. When someone says they are kneading dough, they are physically working on the dough to prepare it for baking. In English, the phrase kneading dough can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it refers to the act of making bread or pastry. Metaphorically, it can be used to describe a situation where someone is carefully working on or developing something. For example, she's kneading her skills in graphic design implies that she is diligently working on improving her design skills, much like kneading dough to improve its texture. Here are a few examples of how you can use kneading dough in sentences. 1. I spent the afternoon kneading dough for our homemade pizza. 2. John is really kneading his craft as a writer. 3. Kneading dough can be quite therapeutic and relaxing. Understanding phrases like kneading dough can add richness to your English vocabulary and help you appreciate the nuances of the language. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.